You're working on a movie now that will star Leo DiCaprio, and that must be kind of an exciting project for you about J. Edgar Hoover.
It is. It's an exciting project because of Hoover's life. First place, he's famous for his idiosyncrasies, but he is also was the most powerful guy in the country for a long time. He could choose who would be political candidates and stuff. He chose Lyndon Johnson to be the Vice President of the United States. He's an interesting character, and yet it's not that you ever solve a character like that, but you can just present him and then see what people think.
Complicated man.
A complicated man, yeah.